Hello and welcome to this video in the Builderall training series. In the last video, we showed you how to build out your funnel in the Builderall Canvas Funnel Builder to achieve the simplest flow possible. Now, I have discussed automating the delivery of our products for this funnel via email. These emails will come after a customer pays at checkout. What this does, it helps you create a truly automated stream of income that doesn't require you to do any work to fulfill once it's launched. Your only job is to drive traffic. In order to do this, we need to set up something called a webhook. The best service that I've found for this is called Zapier. Zapier allows you to integrate all of your different products and services in one central location using webhooks. We're going to sign up and log in. All right, let's get rolling. In the top right, click Make a Zap. And we need to look for Webhooks by Zapier. What this does is catches data that is posted by our website after checkout. We choose our trigger event, which will be catch, and hit continue. We copy the link they sent us and go back to our super checkout. This URL is the webhook we will be using for our Ketogenic Diet 101 ebook. We need to open the product by clicking Edit and go to Integrations. Enable the webhook and paste this URL into the box. Go back to Zapier, click Continue, and then we're going to click Test and Continue. This will wait for the webhook to catch the data that is sent to it from our super checkout. This means we need to do a checkout, which is why we chose our sandbox account in the super checkout video. Click Links and select the checkout URL. Create a new tab and open up the checkout. We will fill out the data and click Purchase. Off screen, it is verifying the transaction. Now that the transaction is completed, we should have caught that webhook in Zapier. It's not showing that it's caught. I'm just going to cancel the test and run it again. And there's our data. 1 second ago. Perfect. We're done editing now. We know that the data gets sent. We have to find our ebook. What you'll do is upload your ebook to Google Drive. Now the good news is Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes absolutely free. So this ebook and the video series won't even get close to filling that up. So we're going to go back to Zapier and search Zapier for Google Drive in step 2. And we need to scroll down and find a file and hit continue. Now we need to know the file name and the directory path to complete the next step. The name of the file is Ketogenic Diet 101 and it's a PDF file. Make sure you put the extension here. We already know it will be found in our Google Drive. And the folder is Ketogenic Diet 101. And we're going to keep drilling down until we get to the actual parent folder where it is. And then we click Continue. Click Test and Review. And awesome, it found our file. We're all done editing this. The second piece of the puzzle is down. Time to create an email. Click the plus at the bottom and search for Gmail. We will use this Gmail account. And now here's why webhooks are so amazing. The To field. We just click the icon on the right, and there's all the data from our checkout and the dynamic user data, including their email. Select their email, include a subject, and we're going to form a great personalized body section to our email. Remember, they just spent money with you. Make them feel important. Click the button on the right, find their name. Thank you, Joseph Michael Humanick. Please, don't call me by my full name. Joe is good. We are excited you decided to take this journey with us. The Ketogenic Diet 101 is your first step to living the healthier life you deserve. Please find your ebook attached. We look forward to seeing your progress. All the best, Ketogenic Diet 101. Perfect. You just customized a beautiful letter. Now, all we need to do is attach the file at the bottom here. A quick side note, don't downplay how important personalizing your message can be. It creates a sense of belonging. This is how you get people super excited about you and your products. Time for another webhook. Now watch out, these can get addicting. Seriously, I love them. We'll start by doing the same thing. Create a webhook. This will be for our video files. We aren't going to test it. Just make sure that you put the link in the products integration section in the super checkout. All right, we need to find some files. A little side note about Gmail before we go any further. You can't send any files over 25 gigabytes. So we're going to do two things here. We're going to create a zip file and insert all those videos into that zip file. Now, instead of sending the zip file, we're going to send the download link. Since it's a download link, Gmail will then treat it like an attachment. You just tricked the system. It looks like an attachment, but it's an 80 gigabyte file download. Okay, find the file. We just have to know the file name and directory. Don't make the mistake that I made and forget to put the .zip in the file name. That is required. If you don't, it will not find your file. For file type, go to custom and just type in zip. Do not type in .zip. All right, time to create another email just like the last one, but instead of putting attachments, you'll find the download link and insert it into the body of the email with a little message. So this wraps up the Zapier automation training. Now, both of your products are automatically being sent as soon as a customer pays for them. I absolutely love the Zapier platform. These webhooks and their partner integrations really changed the game for me. If you have any questions or are having trouble with creating your first Zaps, please reach out here in the comments or on Facebook or Instagram. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.